Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel. Today I am coming along with Finally Crafting. This is an open collab that is hosted by myself and my friend Tree from Craft On. You guys, it is just basically getting together once a month and showing what you've been procrastinating in creating or crafting with, or you might, end up having some dye or some item that you might have been wanting to craft with but have been delaying it and not wanting, or not, just being scared, or I don't know, maybe just don't have the time to craft with. Anyways, so I have had a okay, so the open collab is once a month on a third Wednesday of the month. And I believe somebody, Ebony, also has a kind of like the same theme, but hers is on Thursday. And I do apologize, Ebony, if you watch my channel. I don't know. I don't know. We had not realized you had one open. We could have just joined yours. Anyways, you guys know Ebony. Go ahead and go over. Show her some love and support. Alrighty. Anyways, so what did I ended up crafting with that I have not been wanting to craft with for a while. You guys, my hardest thing is making cards. I hate making cards. I know some crafters are not able. I find it hard. I find it hard as well. And so I had some scraps. And I went ahead and used up my scraps on this one. So this is what I ended up creating. I do have the digital, the Echo Park. I don't remember the name of it, but of course, it is a. I believe I got this on. Oh my goodness. What, $1 Wednesday, $1 or something like that on Echo Park Digitals, and this is I had these printed, and I just like, you know what, might as well start using them, use them, use them. So again, I did use my scraps, and I went ahead and just um, cut and used all I had. And this is a different digital, but you know what, it was there, so I went ahead and used it again. Some of them came out nice, some of them I'm still iffy about. I just probably still have to add a little thing here and there, so just so they don't look so bland, I guess. Yeah, so this one, there you guys go. I also wanted to show you guys, my sister had asked me to make her something, and I have been delaying it. She asked me about 3 months ago to make her this, and she showed me a picture, and I was, yeah, no problem, I can make it. And once I started making it, it was more difficult than I had imagined. So I used fabric. The first couple of times, I just cut the material, did the batting thing and everything, and did some quilting on them, and just did not do the edging. I did have to buy this little what is it called? This little concoction thing. Love it, you guys. Oh my goodness, I do love this. Oh my goodness. So it comes with all this. I did get it at Amazon. Um, I did have to bribe somebody to buy it for me. So um, yeah. So wow, look at it comes with all this, you guys. Oh no, that's fine. So anyways, love it. I oh my goodness, must have if you don't have it, and you could use it for so many. Doesn't have to be crafting, it could be for stuff around the house as well. So anyways, so I don't have an actual picture of what she wants, but it's not a purse, it's it's like a, I don't want to say the word. It's like something that goes in between to, hold your page and use it as a purse. I'm not going to say the word because supposedly there is a pattern, and I don't want to say the word. So, anyways, so I finished them already. This is my first one. Yeah, this was my first completed one. My other ones came out terrible. The stitching up here, terrible. All these were terrible. But I did do a stitch design to cover up the messed up items. It has a little pouch right here, and then she could just put rings in here and do the like a purse and hold her books for reading. Yeah, so I thought this was cute, and I did do this one, and I still like this one. I just completed it not too long ago, and I was like, yeah, the other ones are not going to work the way. Yeah, this right here is not going to work for me. So I was at Dollar Tree not too long ago, and I found a, what is it called? Um, Grocery bag. Uh, those big bags that they have, a dollar. It was $1.50 to put your merchandise. So, anyways, I ended up cutting it, and guess what? It worked way better. My sewing machine. If you guys know about sewing, please let me know. What am I doing wrong? Why is it coming out like this? It came out fine on this end. From what I've been seeing, it's either the tension or the needle. I did clean it out and everything, and it's still, yeah. This was my first one, so as you guys could see, errors everywhere. But I love this. Look at how sturdy this is. Anyways, so I think my sister will oversee this. I don't think she'll care about that. She's not that picky. But it's just me. It's just me. So I did make it like into a little bag if she needs to put, you know, stuff in here. She could put it, and it's not gonna fall off. It's, it's gonna hold like this. So yeah. So I thought that was cute. And then I did this one first, and I was like, oh my gosh, I love it. Easy, better than this right here, because I did have to do like batting in the middle and all that stuff. So way easier. So then I went back to Dollar Tree and I got more of these bags. And as you guys could see, my sewing is a little bit better. This is my sewing right here. Um, this is my sewing, but this is still my machine is still off. So I don't know. I might ask somebody that I might be meeting soon. So she knows about sewing, so maybe she'll know. Anyways, so yeah, so this wasn't that bad. I think this was the one of the last ones that I made after I was like, I told hubby, I'm like, I need a new machine. And he's like, it's gonna do the same thing, it's gonna sew. And I'm like, yeah, I know. Anyways, so yeah, I finally made this. These just need like little chains right here, and I saw that Amazon has chains, so she could buy her purse stuff. And yeah, anyways, so happy I finally did these, and hopefully she likes them. I just need to send them to her and let her know that she needs to buy the additional chain part stuff. So I will put I probably will put the rings here, so just anyways, you guys, thank you for taking the time to watch. Hopefully you guys got inspired somewhere and start crafting. Anyways, thank you again. We'll see you guys in our next video. Bye for now.